News now. MOSPMO Jitendra Singh has said he is rushing to Vaishno Devi to take stock of the situation. He will hold discussions with the local administration and then report to Prime Minister Modi. That's what we are getting from the MOSPMO's office, from Jitendra Singh's office, that he is rushing to Mata Vaishno Devi shrine, to the entire area where this incident took place, and he will have discussions with the local administration and then report back to Prime Minister Modi. I'm joined by Arunima, who's getting us this piece of breaking news. Arunima, what more are you getting from your sources?
See, the Prime Minister also tweeted, some time ago and said that he has been speaking to Dr. Jitendra Singh, Minister in charge for Prime Minister's office, as well as the local MP. He's the MP from Udhampur, as well as Nityanand Rai, the MOS from Ministry of Home Affairs. Now, Dr. Jitendra Singh is rushing to the spot. He has said that he's going to speak to the administration there. I think the first thing that everyone is concerned about is that if there have been people who are injured, then they should get the best medical attention. And the next thing is to figure out exactly what went wrong. Preliminary information seems to suggest that the stampede happened because some kind of an argument started between the devotees there. So was there mismanagement? What really happened? All of those will be the next thing that the government and the administration would want to figure. Union Home Minister Amit Shah is also in touch with LG of Jammu and Kashmir, Manoj Sinha. But Dr. Jitendra Singh's presence there on the ground will just help perhaps smoothen out things. Since, like I said, he's a local MP as well as representatives from the Prime Minister's office.
Also, Arunima, our reporters on the ground also pointing out that the local authorities are not ruling out the sabotage angle. Is that what you're getting from your sources as well?
Nothing that I've heard so far. What we have heard from the DGP himself say that there seems to have been some kind of an argument between the devotees which led to this. So I think we'll just have to wait for the police to confirm exactly what really happened, what was the sequence of events. This happened a little past midnight and inside the Sanctum Sanctorum. So if there was any problem as far as management was concerned, that will have to be highlighted. Investigation will, of course, happen as to what led to this. There will be several eyewitnesses, I'm sure, who would be able to tell the police exactly what went wrong. But right now, the focus is, this is a hilltop shrine. So the focus is to ensure that people who are stuck, who need medical attention or who need help from the administration are brought down, taken to the nearest medical facility, and they are taken care of. That's the top priority right now.
Absolutely. Thank you, Arunima, for joining us on the broadcast. So a high-level inquiry has been ordered, and what we are getting is that MOSPMO and the MP from Udhampur, Dr. Jitendra Singh, is now rushing to Vaishno Devi to take stock of the entire situation. He will hold discussions with the local authorities and then report back to Prime Minister Modi. Tejinder continues to be with us on the broadcast, reporting live from Katra. Tejinder, we're also getting to learn that the security has been increased in that entire area. Take us through the deployment that is taking place to ensure that this incident is not repeated on the ground.
The Mata Vaishno Devi cave shrine has always been on the terror radar. So elaborate security arrangements are already in place in the entire area. You have large deployment of the security forces, the paramilitary security forces, also the local police, adequate number of the police personnel are already deployed in the area to ensure that any nefarious designs of the enemy is foiled. Earlier also there were attempts being made by the anti-national elements to carry out attacks on the Yatra, but those attempts were foiled by the police and other security agencies. So there has always been the elaborate presence of security arrangements here. After this incident, the number of police personnel in the area, they have been increased, given the fact that today being the first day of New Year, there has been a huge rush of devotees who want to pay their obeisance at the Mata Vaishno Devi cave shrine. Last night's the incident which happened late in the night at around 2:45 a.m. left 12 people dead and 13 others injured. Those who have been injured, they have been shifted to the hospital, and right now we are told that the authorities are not ruling out anything. They will be probing every angle to find out the exact reason which led to the stampede. So every possible angle will be looked into and a final report would be submitted. The Jammu and Kashmir Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha has already ordered a high-level inquiry which would be conducted by the by the Principal Secretary Home, and the Additional Director General of Jammu and Kashmir Police Jammu Zone would be one of the member of the inquiry team. And this being one of the place in Jammu and Kashmir where you have large number of devotees. On a given day you have devotees in lakhs who pay their obeisance at the Mata Vaishno cave shrine, and the authorities, they had already made arrangements to ensure that the large number of people who come on daily basis, they are accommodated. So what led to this mishap which killed 12 people, whether there was any lapse on part of the shrine board, whether there was any sabotage, whether this happened abruptly given the fact that there was huge number of people who were present. So all these angles would be probed by the inquiry committee. We are told that the senior officials from the district administration, they have already reached the area. The MOS in the PMO, Dr. Jitendra Singh, who is the member parliament from the Kathua Udhampur constituency, would also be visiting Riyasi. He has been asked by the Prime Minister to personally go and monitor the relief and rescue operation which is going on in this area. Also, you can see behind me there is a huge rush of people, large number of people every day. They come on in huge number, and today being the first day of New Year, people in large number from various parts of the country, they have come here. There are huge queues outside the registration counter, and these are the people who want to take their registration slip before they could proceed for the yatra and pay their obeisance at the cave shrine. The authorities in the past have also met with such a huge rush of people, because these type of rush is something which the area witnesses on every single day. So given the fact that this place is visited by huge number of people on daily basis, the authorities had already put in place all the arrangements. But was there a lapse? What led to the stampede? This all would be investigated when the inquiry committee would submit its report to the Union Territory Administration led by Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha. Yes.
Also, Tejinder, take us through the rescue operations which are currently underway. What are the main challenges which are emerging to give medical treatment and to take stock of the entire situation at that site where 12 people died?
The priority right now is to ensure that those who have been rescued, they are given best possible medical treatment. We are told that even the PMO is keeping a close watch on the development. The LG administration has been told if there are any people who have been injured seriously and they need to be evacuated out of Jammu, the union government would provide all possible help to the Union Territory Administration to evacuate those who need evacuation. The rescue operation at the site of the incident has completed, and that is the reason the yatra has been resumed. It took several hours for the authorities to rescue those who were injured. They were shifted to the hospital. Those who had minor injuries, they were given first aid at the local dispensary at the cave shrine, but those who had major injuries, those who were seriously injured, they had to be shifted to the hospital. So ambulances were pressed into services. The local police and the other pilgrims who were present at the place, they helped a lot in evacuating those who were injured. So all those injured, they have been evacuated. The rescue work in the area has been completed. Right. So the yatra
Jinder, I'm sorry to interrupt. I'm joined by Ravinder Raina.